Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python for your Windows computer, especially for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just go to this URL to the Python official website. I will put the link on the description, or else just type like Python on your search engine and you can go to this website. Go to downloads. You can download some older version and install if you need some kind of older version, or else by clicking on here or by clicking on this yellow button you can download the latest version. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the latest version. So I'm going to click in on this yellow button. You can see the downloading process has started. You have to wait some minutes until it is downloading. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna skip from here. Now go to the downloaded directory. So I'm at the download directory, so you can double click on this exe file and click on this install now option, and you can see the setup is in progress. It is initializing the Python setup. Please wait some seconds. Now you can see it is installing to our computer. Setup was successful. You can see this kind of a window. Then you can close this one and now go to the search area of your computer and type like cmd and take out the open the terminal and type like python space -v. Just press enter. You can see the Python version what you have installed. Then I will show you how to open the Python IDLE. Type like Python or Python IDLE like this. You can open this Python IDLE to start programming in Python. You can run basic Python commands in here. If you are going to go to the advanced features of Python, you can use an IDE. This is the just Python IDLE for basic commands. I'm gonna type like a print command like this. This is the way we can install Python for your Windows computer. Follow up the method guys, share this video to your batchmates and subscribe down below to have more videos in the future.